Hello, in this video I'll show you how to set up Deepseek. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply open a browser. Now just simply search for Deepseek and open the first link right over here. Then click on Start Now right over here. And if you want to download the Deepseek application, you can just simply scan the QR code right over here in this video and you can get the application in your iOS or Android devices. Then click on Start Now. After that, the first thing that you have to do is you have to create your own account. So click on Sign Up. And over here, you have to enter your email address or password, then confirm that password. And after that, just simply click on Send Code right over here. And a code will be sent to you in the registered email address that you added right over here. Once you will receive the code, enter it right over here. Click on this checkbox and click on Sign Up. Now, once we'll do the entire process, you'll be redirected back to the login page over here. Again, simply add your email address and password and click on Login. Now, once you do that, you should be able to log in into Deepseek. So, the interface itself is going to look similar to ChatGPT, but there will be a few differences. Like, for example, you will have one more option available, which is the Deepseek version option. As you can see, the Deepseek R1. So, this exact feature is what makes Deepseek stand out. So, let's say, for example, if I just simply add a random text like hi, and the Deepseek will give you a generic AI-based answer. Now, if I just simply enable the Deepseek R1 version and ask something similar, and this time you will notice that there is a new box that has appeared, which is called Thinking. So now you can close or open this box, as you can see right over here. If you want to read what the AI itself is thinking, and if you don't want to see this, you'll obviously hide this box. But over here in the Deepseek R1 version, you will see exactly what Deepseek is thinking before giving you a proper reply, as you can see right over here. Now, this feature have also been currently added to ChatGPT as well, but the version of Deepseek is still the better one. Now, you will have the same interface in the side menu as well. So, if you click on this sidebar option, you will be able to see all the chats that you have done so far in the history panel right over here. You can get the application directly from here. You can go to your profile by clicking on this profile, and you can go to the settings panel, and after that go to the profile section, and over here you will have the option of deleting your account. So if that's something that you need, you can also do that. Over here you will also have the option to change the theme of Deepseek, as you can see right over here. And then you will also have the option to attach document up to 100 MB, which you can see right over here. So if you click on this option, you can attach any type of file like PDF, image, or anything like that. So there is one thing that you should keep in mind. If you have enabled the search option right over here, the attachment option will automatically be disabled because currently the both of them doesn't work at the same time. So over here you will also get the web search feature, which will give you real-time data just like ChatGPT. And if you want to create a new chat, always you can click on new chat and that will give you a new chat. You can use it directly over here or click on directly over here. They will both function the same. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.